Hi guys, and welcome to the educational stock market update video for the day. So in this video I'll be talking about Axis Bank and Exide India stock. Okay, so Axis Bank has come down today. As you guys can see in 1 day time frame, we can see a big red candle has been formed, and Exide India has made 52-week new high even today. So even yesterday also it made a new 52-week high. Even today also it has went up and it has broken the previous day 52-week high. So why this stock is in bull move like this, and what is the reason why the stock has suddenly rise like this, and why this stock has come down today? So I'll be telling you both the update in this video, which is important. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding these two stocks. And today I did the intraday trade on Bharat Fog. I short sold the stock around 1170 in the morning, and I took my exit by booking almost 5 points of a target, and this is the profit what I was able to book today. So as you guys can see today, even Bharat Fog has come down and closed as a big red candle for the day. This is how the Bharat Fog has performed today in a full of a downside trended today. Okay, so this is how the stock performed, and this is how I took the exit by maintaining my target and by following and sticking to my trade discipline. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a good trader, and I'll be teaching you the accurate things to make good trades and the profitable trades in intraday trading. And also you get live market personal support as well, and I'll be guiding you personally. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn to be a consistent profitable trader from today. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about Axis Bank, why it has come down today. Okay, so Bain Capital, okay, so they are American private investment firm, is exiting from Axis Bank, and they have launched around $430 million block deal today. So that's the reason why the stock has come down. Okay, there is no other news on this stock as of now. So they are doing the block deal exiting, and that's the reason why it has come down a bit today. And Bain Capital invested rupees 6,854 crore in Axis Bank on November 2017. So that they're taking the exit now. Okay, and next, coming to the Exide India. So this is a battery stock, as you guys know. Let's talk about why this stock is going up tremendously. Exide Industries hit back-to-back 52-week high on Hyundai and Kia deal. Okay, so Hyundai and Kia has made a deal with Exide Industries. That's the reason why it is moving up. Exide Industries share price hit a fresh 52-week high at 398.05 after South Korean auto giants Hyundai Motor Company and Kia Corporation announced a partnership with Exide Energy Solution Limited. So, as you guys know, Hyundai and Kia are a big South Korean auto companies, that is car companies. So they have gone and did their partnership with Exide Industries. So this is a very good news for the company, and that's the reason why it is performing like this. So as it is a good positive news, that's the reason why the stock has gone up like this. So please note, this video is only for an educational purpose. Whatever the stocks I shown you, whatever the news I shown you, is only to update you guys and for a knowledge purpose. Before you take any trade on the stocks or any investment plan on the stocks, you can do your own analysis as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.